Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Post by Pack and use it in Sims 4. Go to Android Studio. In Sims 4 Studio, you can see the URL here. Scroll down, you're gonna see Post Player. Click on one of the download link to download the Post Player. Once downloaded, I'll have downloaded zip file like this. You can extract the zip file with WinZip or I use 7-zip. Once extracted, there's two files and the Mac folder. I'm using Windows, so I'm just gonna select the two file here that highlighted in yellow. Go to your Sim4 mod folder, which is under Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 4, and then Mods. Copy the two files that I highlighted before, _postplayer.package, and then the other file is .ts4 script into the mod folder. Now we need to search for the Sims 4 Post Pack. You can search for Sims 4 Posts in Google, and this is what I found. For this one, I'm gonna choose the Simmering Emotions Post Pack. After clicking the button say see more and download, it brings me to this download page where there's a button. I can just click on download. It also shows you some of the posts that what it look like. In the post description, it tells you that you have 10 posts for your adult sim. Then the instruction is that you place the teleport statue on the floor where you want to be seen. Then you teleport your character into the statue, and then that use the post player to post your sim. If you don't know how to install Sims 4 teleporter, I already make a video that I will leave it in the video description. Once I downloaded the emotions post, this is what the file look like. Copy the post package into the main mod folder. When you started Sim 4, it tells you that you see some mods here, and you can see that I have the Android Post Player which is installed. I also have the teleporter and the Sims. To use this mod, you need to enable the script mod allow option in the game options. Use the build mod to place the teleporter statue. Go to live mode, then teleport our sim into the statue. To use the post, click on our Sims and select Post by Pack. Then select the post pack that we just downloaded, which is Emotions. Then select a post, which you will put it in the queue. You can select another post and you're just gonna add it into the queue. I put my game in pause before. Press play to use a post. To use the next post, cancel the current post and then you use the next one. So I hope this video is helpful for you to install Post Player in Sims 4. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in next video. Bye!